wafum di hujik si koi maximum power maximum operation sin narga lasting peace am langna bohna gane habani aduna matung mas sang matam si restraint gi mong de leire I phajal laga yam kana miyam do son dana ba yam kana khulai tha da bagi mong dal state na torpani adu hujik ti legitimate use of force to toragani hai hum dune du mayam na hainari di manipur gi chahi ahum surbirang as he horok matam da legitimate use of force to ngasa state na man sinaga ba magi force to matam sana sinam taragadi ngasi asuk sangna chahi ahum hena prolong torei ba makhata na hujik su kogi dg CRPF GP sing na phondo ki bata lakadri ba chahi ama makhai fabu gi manung sida koi northeast crisis solution bang gi pandam thami ena hairi hata dur matam se khara ga mu logi duri hawi mami su da adai ta mali adun magi legitimate state ki legitimate use of force to yam na ngali matam da satharam taraga dinga si prolong si tormoy ni yang bibi abra maina khana ba dum yang dur ba kamai thami
thank you Raj akhoi sumaina yamna critical of issues se khoina tanja chana nei na bijam phai aduga ngasi khoina nei nari bisigi khwaidi gi maro reference point se CRPF bi DG na tham ke ba neutralize ba in 84 adagi 1995 rims ki incident puna mose sing sina manipur do operate to basida khoi gi impunity ki culture si khoi u basi yam sang u gre hai tare ko ado hojik la ibo phibam si ai khoina manipur da hojik Laiba Pibam 2023 they was faced with a problem sida howziki laiba neutralized only haiba concept asiga kamaina interlinked on a yengadagi haibasi yengadi maru oina neutralize haiba concept shidi akhoi mi kharana nomai pare kocha chatpe wafam dukhakta natana larger counter insurgency operation ama tawgadaba manbagi adugi dimension ama ui the only point is I want to personally speaking, I feel very worried because civilian casualty kamai tawni akhoi international norms yeng tar de akhoi na any violent situation ma content to bahai base akhoi principle ahum maru aina akhoi ge precaution proportionality aduga sigi security si keno sing si ambience si yam phajana work out to do be ya di hai tare aduna akhoi ge completely valley de yeng aga di valleys ri amna heavily populated over area mani masidai sidai khoina khoigi armed person amana a group of armed persons in neutralized of haibazi my meaning se karino is it to disarm them or is it to eliminate them madam di khoina neutralize hai taradi either disarm to ba unharm to harm to ba ngamdana ma bu preempt to ba natragana ma eliminate to ba adu bo UN ki normal protocols di adu Indian protocols di amana eliminate khoigi neutralize ba concepts di Indian security establishment di kaya season ataba adu ko police establishment is kaya season ataba maji legal nomenclatures yam kana leiti hai tare ko adu bo icon any event of legal punishment ama masai legitimate use of physical force I say sig legitimate use of physical force I see yam to a deeper philosophical meaning lay political science yeng gadi because you cannot do any violence which is illegitimate
yes
state even cannot do violence if it is illegitimate aduga violence se to selective on to busu yadi selective on to busu so permanent on to yadi professor academic Italian philosopher Giorgio Agamben exception guy haise exception is permanent obiati hai man exception has to be temporal but if you talk about armed forces special powers act since 1958 it looks like a very long range of experience with a sense of impunity being exercised by the establishment adu ding as I voting ki case as I gi mi to tra hom do mushira matam do da khogi prosecution sanction PO hai kanda MHA na pirak tabadagi Supreme Court na case packet ngam ki ti ai tare Manipur su 1528 cases da prosecution sanction loi pirak panati so there are so many issues I know wazari badi of course state has the legitimate authority over physical use of violence but the manner in which it will be exercised is always a concern aduk pamana akhoi rims ki thodok ta हमारा मणिपुरी हमारा आदमी को मारा सब मणिपुरी को मारो है जे नसाई की डीएम सेन की कमीशन ऑफ इंक्वायरी की रिपोर्ट याव है 1995 की रिम्स के थौदोक से दा मदर इंटरेस्टिंग ओय बदिंग नसाई की आइखो की मी हाले मणिपुरी लोय हालो है बजे आइन हाइबन ते को डीएम सेन की इंक्वायरी कमीशन की रिपोर्ट याव बनी मसीना मरम ओरगा रिटालिएशन तो बसी कमीशन हाइजना अखोई की आम कांगबुदना मोयदा प्रोवोक तो बना तबिदा civilian sing do high same security establishment si na indiscriminately fire to bane report si yaw adu argadi akoina any legitimate use of quote unquote legitimate use of physical force si yam kupna akoina sena houda taragadi akoigi manipur gi tampak ta maru oina natragana ching da maru oina civilian casualties kamaina preempt tawni have questions la sima interestingly any conflict situation number operate to by certain protocols international human law da yengasu na the Indian legal procedure da yengasu akoina miyam hat pe ai law gi matung of course aduna death penalty pirisine adubu masi procedure established by law haina taroga ain gi manung da trial ma taroga mi je akoina hatui haiba tawbudabu hypothetically wakal imagination taroga mi ama nongmai par chala meba mi je nongmai par ko hatpe ya proper security establishment they cannot because mama koina hatpa haibasi mama eliminate to haibasi magi procedure am lay duine legal procedure am adu fulfill to the tadi overuse of physical force or disproportionate use of physical force am questions laktuini hariba adu gi su mathakta mi ama koina ain gi matuina phaba punba sibagi charak piba sidasu mukchu yam lurisi akoi procedure established by law na ayaba pira phawbada mi amase akoina phaba punba charak piba matamda madu due process of law haidana mu madugi principle do ka hena excessive of element yaubra arbitrary oibe yaubra haibasi mu yenga khrine ba masi oja premandas yaubiri 1978 ke Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India case da thokraba thogdo amani haitare ko punamak si yenga aikoi di academy na tamona haigibdo man academy ga moina political science student na moina were very much worried about any range of using force against any kind of situation maramdi masigi situations je lakpa matamda akoi manipur da yam sangna sig experience bitter experience lay haitare adu ergadi akoi gi manipur gi akoi gi outlawed organization RPF kumbana mayam na khanab su toine yauba Geneva Convention article 3 akoi by tawni gan hai gi balai adu maina India gi state assist to UN gi protocols mayam sigi akoi gi signatory member mayam oiri bani punamak sigi gadi akoi na globally akoi gi human rights ki sensitive over dimensions so akoi na raise to jo horagadi any Manipur normalcy porokna bohona but the security forces in a chata but thabak sing da civilian cooperate to basu laigani aduga civilian ki casualty handan ba haibasitu akoina haige do ba haida ba yada ba maji human rights kangun haibasu yai journalist na raise to ba yai ukil sing na haibi yai aduga hogi social science ki activists mayam adaidi akoi am haibi yai people from all walks of life will have to talk about it Madam Discipline Maxi Hizer again Hizening is in a drive to tougher operations Hibase Darkarle, of course. Lasting peace among them. The only point is Handaki neutralized on hyper concept city upon highway chat payatriba. Essential commodities lakpangam driba. Truck drivers ki no magi punsiro the mona thineriba awaba. Apogi workers may awajiksi Kudamana Liangmai market say Yamsina thriving over market more me matam crema mangda. Adu Handaki Megi 13 adwaidagi violence tholokpadagi liangwai market chathabang ngamdre adu hill and valley gi marakta economically sustain to bayamne micro level to exercise sugubaji effect or any hariba so aina khanbadadi the strategy should be not only about using robust physical force but also about ensuring that basic rule of law is sustained and it is not violated by any civil society or any individual who are actually creating havoc on our lives adu punamaksi haijaraga rajing asi thangbirio posida I gidi concern adum lay I personally I feel that we have to talk about it aduga masi ai khoina security establishment singa su civil society ka su masi gi dialogue tono mathau tai even journalists singa su hariba neutralize hariba sigi mai gi meaning si kari no haibasi ko discuss tawduna Manipur hena human rights security por mathau tai thank you
okay kulai pai basing miscreant sing neutralize to bugi wapam palak pai tare